Hey guys, so I'm going to walk you through what you are expected to do today and also just go into detail again about what we are looking at here. Remember, this is our daily agenda where we have the topic that we are learning for the day, which is integers and opposites. The date today is 8/24. We've got our standards here that we will be covering, and then the rest of it is the actual agenda. So remember, you've got your steps on the left-hand side, the activity will be in the middle, and then there's going to be a how-to on the right. And then if you take a look, remember we've got, okay, this is what we're all doing together, and then when we split off into different sides of the agenda based on our pretest. So if we take a look at the top, the first thing that we're going to do, step 1, is we are going to take this pretest right here. So go ahead and click the link, complete the questions, get out a piece of paper if you need to show your work. And then when you hit submit, it will you should be able to view your score. Based on that score, you are either going to be doing practice with the teacher or practice with the video. So if you get a pretest score of a 0, a 1, a 2, or a 3, you see how it says 0 through 3. So if you get a pretest score that falls within 0 to 3, you're going to do practice with the teacher and you will be on this left-hand side. If you get a pretest score that is a 4 or a 5, so a pretest score 4 through 5, so a 4 or a 5, you're going to be doing practice with the video. So you will look at this right-hand side and follow it all the way down. Okay, so let's take a look at what your day is going to look like if you are doing practice with the teacher. So if you get a pretest score of a 0, a 1, a 2, or a 3. So if that is the case, you are going to come to this side of the table. Step 2 says teacher lesson. So you are going to join the teacher lesson in the channels. We are going to be filling out the notes that are integers and their opposites. So you will get that attachment ready, split screen, join the lesson. The key is there if you need it for later. After the teacher lesson, you are going to be doing step 3, which is to take this quizzes. It's about integers, it's review, it's practice. When you're done with the quizzes, you can do it as many times as you would like. You are going to screenshot your final score and attach it as a picture to today's assignment. Remember, we don't want you cropping anything out. We want to see the full screen, so don't just show us your score. We want to see all of it, and you'll upload that picture to today's assignment. The next thing you're going to do is the Khan Academy. So again, click the link right here. It'll take you to the activity. Complete them. Continue to do it until you get the score that you want. So there's only a couple questions, or 4 or 5 questions, so make sure you try to get a 100. Screenshot the ending score and upload the screenshot to today's date. So that's practice with the teacher. Okay, so if you got a pretest score of 4 to 5 and you're practicing with the video, you are going to be in this column right here. So step 2 says video lesson with notes. So you will click this video lesson here. You will split screen the video lesson with the notes that are called notes, integers, and opposites that are attached to today's, underneath today's agenda. So you'll pull up those 2 things, you'll fill out the notes with the video, and you will re-upload them today's date. Next, you're going to be doing step 3, which is the integers quizzes. So you will click the link here. You will do the quizzes, do it as many times as you would like. You're going to screenshot your final score. Remember, don't crop anything out. Just screenshot the whole thing and upload the whole thing to show that you did the quizzes. And then the last thing is the Khan Academy. Click it, finish it, upload the score that you want to earn, and make sure you don't crop it. So all those things will be uploaded under today's date for us, and that's it. So remember, if you are in this practice with video, you're going to ignore the practice with teacher stuff, and vice versa. If you're in the practice with teacher, ignore the column that says practice with video. Of course, if you have any questions, please, please, please make sure that you ask them either in the Ask the Question channel or if we are in a session for the general class meetings. All right.